Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make neem alcohol-free liquid extract with organic neem. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So we're going to use some neem which I had dried, and we're also going to use some glycerin, vegetable glycerin, and we're also going to use our distilled water. So if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Dorcas, and you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So on this channel, I upload cross-site life video, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin, how to formulate your own products, and some DIY. So we're going to use a mason jar, clean mason jar, our stirring rod, or you can use whatever utensils you have. Yes, so this is organic neem. Yes, so it is actually ethically sourced wild harvested raw material. So I'm going to measure about 100 grams of our neem. So neem has a lot of benefits, like for health, including blood sugar management, as well as benefits for your hair, skin, teeth, liver, and kidneys. And it may also promote hair healthy. So neem seed extract contains acidsTrusted, an active compound that may fight parasites that affect hair and skin, such as lice. So acidsTrusted works by disrupting parasites growth and interfering with production and other cellular processes. So I'm adding in about 10 grams of our vegetable glycerin, and then I'm going to add in, I've also added some water, like 50 grams of our water, and make sure that you give it a stir. So comment in the section below, friends, and give this video a like, and make sure that you share this video to platforms or to friends whom you think they can benefit. So give it a good stir, as you can see. And make sure that you're so meticulous, about cleanness, so that you don't invite microbials in your final product. You can even add a preservative, but in this case, I never added a preservative. I wanted to see how it will work. Probably next time I'm going to add a preservative. So you can actually use this neem extract, in shampoos, facial cleansers, body products, different kinds of products. So in shampoo, it is actually used as a base on head lice in children, even adults. Leaving shampoo in like for 10 minutes killed. A survey which was done actually showed that it killed the lice while being gentle on the skin. So I actually forgot about this. So it's been actually 3 weeks, I just left it in, and that is how it looks like. So at this point, we are going to extract it. Let me just show you how the inside looks like. As you can see, it has infused so well. Look at that, friends. Have you seen? And it's some kind of, it has darkened. Yeah, so it looks so beautiful. So at this point, we are going to strain it. I'm just going to get a beaker, clean beaker, and a fine strainer. You can even use a cheesecloth, but I'm just going to use a strainer like so, and then put it inside and then press against the strainer using a spatula so that more extract can come out. Like, I'm super thrilled because this was a success, friends. It worked perfect and it came out very perfect. So I'm going to use it in one of the products that I'm going to post soon. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and comment in the section below. I would love to hear from you, friends. If you have ever made a neem extract or any other extract, comment in the section below. So of course, you know what, a study that tested the efficacy of neem-based shampoo on head lice in children, it showed that it was so gentle. So neem extract, a compound, it has a compound which is called nimbidine, a compound found in neem oil. So may also treat dandruff due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Dandruff and scalp irritation may result from fungal buildup on the scalp. So that is how it looks like. I'm happy, friends. I'm thrilled. Look at that. We are so happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So I'm using a funnel just to put in in a clean mason jar. So neem extract can also, improve skin health because it is rich in fatty acids, including oleic, stearic, palmitic, and linoleic acids collectively. So these fatty acids have been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties that promote healthy skin. Yes. So I'm going to use it in one of the products. So that is how it looks like, friends. So I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to add a preservative. I want to see how it will go. And of course, next time I'm going to add a preservative. Comment in the section below if you're going to try out this neem extract. So I appreciate you so much, friends, for subscribing, for commenting, and for sharing our videos. So this means a lot. In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow to a bigger audience. God bless you. See you in our next video.